guys, happy new year. Welcome to 2025 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First official video in the year 2025, and today we're going to be learning how to make jumbo twist using Brazilian wool. So this is basically a budget friendly hairstyle. I think I used about half of a pack, so it depends on what you want. You can use like how large you want the braids to be and how lengthy you want it. So you can use half of a pack up to a pack of Brazilian wool. So I'm basically going to lose the already braided hair. So I already used a rubber band at the root of the hair so it stays firm, but you can go ahead and do it like this. But I ended up losing my already braided hair, so the hairstyle comes out even really nice. So like I said, this is a really budget friendly hairstyle, and if you are on a budget, you want to try this out, and trust me, you would definitely love the result. So I took down the already braided hair because I did not want it to look all like rough and chunky at the end. So and then sectioned it in two, like splitted it into one, started to braid directly from the root of the hair. Yes, directly from the twist, started to twist directly from the root of the hair and all the way to the tip of the hair. So once I've gotten to the tip, I'm going to like wrap it like as though you're threading the hair and then cut off the excess. So stay tuned. And now for the illustration proper, the first thing you want to do is to pass in your crochet pin through the hair. Remember I said I have like a rubber band and the root of the hair so it stays. Then pass your crochet pin and the Brazilian wool through the crochet pin. You want to make sure it's closed before you pull it out, and then you pull out one side of the Brazilian extension. It's folded, so you don't want to pull out the whole thing. You want to pull out one side. You hold one tip and then pull out the other tip, and then make sure it's equal. Then section the hair in two, and then you want to start to twist directly from the root. So what I did there was just to make sure it's firm. That's why I pulled my natural hair, and then you start to twist directly from the root of your hair. You want to twist it all the way to the tip. All the way to the tip. So you just twist all the way to the tip. Once you've gotten to the tip of the hair, you want to pick out about 2, 3, 4 Brazilian wool, and then start to wrap it around the tip of the hair, like as though you are threading your hair. So that will allow it to stay firm and without it losing, and then tie a knot just like that, preferably twice or 3 times so it stays, it doesn't lose. It's just like that. Once it's tight, and then it's good. So it's going to look like this after you are done, and then you want to cut off the excess. So I'm not going to burn the tip of my hair. I'm just going to leave it like that. You can burn yours if you want, but I'm just going to cut it off, and be careful when you're doing that. And then there you have it. So I've done the back section. I think I have about 5. Then I'm going to continue with the front section. So stay tuned and enjoy the tutorial. And finally, our jumbo twist, or jumbo twist, whatever it's called, is completed. It looks simple and easy to make, actually. So yeah, tell me what you think about this hairstyle. Would you be trying this out? And rate me over 100. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, share this to your friends, your family, and anyone you'd like to learn how to make, style their hair like on a budget. Okay, let me know. So you can basically style it anyway. So I just packed it to the back, and it looks really, really nice, really simple. Yeah, thanks for watching.